Alright guys, so we got the whole tank prepped. The plastic shield is on. I was reluctant to put that on. We gotta take these off. I'm doing a new vent line because that was the old one. I cut it back to where it was still good, thanks to an oil leak. But it is an 88, so got new vent lines. We gotta take these off. Oh, actually, I have to get that piece that broke off the old sending unit out, and then we'll get back to you. So I'm trying to get this off. I should probably go get a pair of pliers. It's just seized in there. I might have to just cut the hose back. It should still be long enough. I think I'm going to do that since the ends are cracked, as you can see. Cool. So yeah, if you look up here, I cut it back all the way almost up to the transfer case, the vent line. The rest of the lines look decent, but we had quite the major leak, and I didn't think it was all coming from the tank. So after we get this back together, we might have some more leaks to fix, but we'll see. Alright, we're gonna slide her in. Start hooking what we can up. And I believe this goes on the top. And I really hope I had these on right. I'm probably gonna have to get my jack out here. Okay. So those are the two. One's a return and one's a go to the tank. This one goes to the tank, I believe, because it goes right through the filter, which makes sense. So we'll tighten these up and then we'll start lifting it and come back to you. So I got the jack, some stands. I'm working on getting these filler necks put back on. Oh, I hope that rest didn't go in the tank. This vent and this filler are not going to be fun to get on. So after we get those on, we'll bring you to the next step. Alright guys, so if you look up here, I have both the hoses on. But when I took the clamp for the vent hose off back here, I can't get to it with anything. I can't find my small swivel. So I need to unhook it, pull the hoses off, flip the clamp around, and then put it back together. So that's what we're gonna do. My beautiful wife has got the gas tank straps. We got the vents on and tight. So we got one vent line to hook up. Those are the bolts. And we got the two bolts on the strap to hook up. And we got to plug in the pump. And I should have tested the pump before, because I did get it for $40 off of eBay. So let's hope it all works.
Give me a sip.
No, not when pregnant. Yeah, get under here. So these straps go into the frame down here. Oh, crap. And then they twist. And then they're in. So there's one. And then we'll get the other one locked in. And then we gotta get the bolts in. Which I'm probably gonna have to move the jack stand. But let's see, where's that bolt? So there's a hole in the frame up here. I'll take them in with me if we can get to it.